Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yo man, so today we are going to Itanagar from Basar, and it's a monsoon time, so the raining is too much and the road condition is not that good. So we are moving early in the morning and the time is around 3:21 right now. So we have just started our journey from Basar, and we'll be going to Likabali, Salapatar, Dhemaji, and then Itanagar to pick up spares of my backhaul loader, that is KS851. So see you. So guys, right now we are exiting the Basar town, and that's the welcome gate. So you can check out. Thanks, visit again. Currently we are here at Kamdak village and you can see there are lots of fog here, and there has been mentioned as a road closed, sinking zone. Earlier it was open, but now it's closed, so it's better we'll be taking this left road. Earlier we used to go from this road, but as it is advised that the deputy commissioner of Leparada has advised that the road is about to sink, so we are taking this old road. This diversion road is really very bad, and there are lots of foggy at this road, as you can see. So guys, you can see this excavator here, and we are about to reach the highway, and this was the bypass road. So you can see guys, due to the landslide, the road is curved here. So guys, we will be soon joining the main highway there. So as you can see guys, there are lots of silt and stones that has been sliding from the hills. So it is probably very risky to travel at night. So the bypass was around approximately 3 kilometers. So guys, after this we'll be reaching the Dali village and so on to Likabali. So catch you guys later. So guys, you can check out the beauty of Arunachal Pradesh. That's the beautiful and lovely mountain ranges. So hello guys, and we are really freshen up. Earlier it was very lazy and boring time, but we have stopped here to admire the beauty of this landscape. So you can check out guys. Where is my manager भैया? Manager भैया आ जाओ यार.
बारिश दे रहा है.
आपको बारिश तो दे रहा है, लेकिन आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ आके?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
बिल्कुल हल्का हल्का बारिश है.
Cool.
It's cool, right?
Evening. Oh no, sorry.
It's not evening, man. It's early in the morning, 3 o'clock. Hello guys. तो चलते हैं रोड की ओर. Yes, bro.
Life is a journey.
Yes, life is always a journey. So you can check out these beautiful roads, the lovely mountains. So let's go, bro. So guys, after crossing the Pade village, now we are here at the Dalit. This is the Dalit village. And guys, we are about to reach this micro hydel. So earlier, before the establishment of the NEPCO, we used to get the electricity from here. To my left side, you can see that's the mini or micro, I forgot, but that's the hydel, the red color you can see, no? That's the hydel. So we used to get electricity from here, but now the NEPCO has established, and we are getting the electricity from the NEPCO hydro project under the NHPC. So guys, from here we reached the Igo village, and you can see the Igo river rolling here. And this was the we used to have an earlier bridge here, the RCC concrete bridge, but due to the landslide, I'll just show you. Due to the landslide of this area, you can see the entire area washed off here, and the bridge was washed off. So they have constructed a temporary belly suspension bridge here. That's the belly suspension bridge, and now they are constructing a RCC bridge here. So this entire this portion is slided here, and it took the bridge. So guys, right now we are here at Rilu, and this is the new bridge that is being constructed here. And you can see we'll be taking this road, the left side, and this is the old road, and that's the new road that has been curved and excavated. So ये रोड अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, और अभी कुछ समय पहले आपने मेरा अगर व्लॉग देखा है तो आपको समझ में आया होगा कि हम लोग एक लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से वी डिडंट टुक दिस रोड, एंड हम लोगों को वाया पासीघाट जाना पड़ा था. So I'll just show you कहाँ पे अभी ब्लॉक था, and you can see the glimpse of the cutting road there. यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं, that's the road. I'll just show you. The road continues like this, and there was a new cutting road, and जो अभी पूरा इस monsoon में it is just slided. So we'll be going just उसके नीचे, like from this side we'll be going to that road. So just let me show you. So guys, you can see the condition of the road are really bad here, and we are about to reach Garu after this block point. So guys, you can have the proper view जो मैं आपको पहले दिखाया था, and we are going through that road जहाँ पे slide हुआ था. वहीं से they have curved a narrow road here, जहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे अभी. So guys, we are about to reach the block point here, and you can see the up there, the new cutting area. And there is given a caution sign, sliding area, go slow. So technically we don't have to go slow, we have to go fast, because rock may slide anytime. So guys, the road was earlier there, but we have carved a new road here. So guys, earlier this was a paddy field of someone else, but we have carved the road here out of nowhere. So you might have seen a video where a bike was just washed off due to this landslide, and we are about to reach that area. So guys, technically जहाँ पे बाइक wash off हो गया था, this was this area, and you can see this big rock and big mountain slide cam. और यहाँ पे बाइक वगैरह, बाइक स्कूटी जो भी था पूरा लेके चले गए यहाँ से. So the Himalayas really become very dangerous to travel during monsoons. So guys, be careful while you are traveling at this road. Guys, after the block point, we are about to reach this beautiful Ganesh Mandir. This is a very old Ganesh Mandir which was constructed by one of my Ato. So let's just quickly go and worship this mandir. No. Panditayan ji, namaste. Wow, look at this beautiful pigeons. पंडित जी कहाँ चले गए? सोए हैं. आप ही पूजा कर दीजिए फिर. मैनेजर भैया, आप भी आइए. So guys, whenever we come here, we always used to stop here and worship. Guys, so we have got the worship. Blessed with good luck.
हमको देख के वो लोग थोड़ा दीजिए.
अच्छा, रोटी सब खाते हैं ना?
रोटी के लिए तो एकदम मत कीजिए.
Yes, after having the blessing from this holy Ganesh Mandir, now we are heading back towards our journey. And guys, you will be shocked to know that this mandir was constructed in 1991. So like almost more than 20 years is crossed, I guess, right? 30 years, huh?
33.
Okay, chalo guys, chalte hain fir road ki or, and see you guys later there at Likabali. Right now we have stopped here at this beautiful water source stream so that we can clean our windscreen. कीचड़ की वजह से पूरा कचड़ा हो गया है, right bro? Bro, पूरा नींद लग के इसका हालत खराब है यार. So let's check out. Guys, the water over here are really fresh and beautiful. So you can see pura gaadi kichar and all the windscreen has become dirty, so we are going to clean it. Guys, we are going to clean the windscreen and the light also. So we are going to clean this. Yes, aap saaf ho gaya. So guys, currently we are here at the very famous Brahmaputra view, and you can see lots of construction works are going on. I think the some kind of hotel is being constructed here. So guys, एक ज़माना थे यहाँ पे Brahmaputra view थे, and from here we could see the Brahmaputra river and the Bogeybill bridge. But now the visibility is almost zero. So guys, we are about to reach Likabali, and there is a small landslide over here, and you can see the road is pretty much bad here, and the slide is here. So I would again like to say that it's really very difficult to travel during monsoons. So guys, we are about to reach the Likabali, and in between Likabali to CG there is a bridge which is sinking, and this entire area is actually sinking. So आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी, this is the concrete bridge जो collapse होकर नीचे चला गया है, and condition काफ़ी बुरा है. The road is still sinking, so be careful while you are driving on this road. So guys, recently just now a landslide has occurred here, fresh landslide. So guys, there is a very positive thing about this road. You can just read it out. Waste plastic used in making this highway. So guys, this highway is constructed using the waste material, that is the plastic, and till now the road condition is pretty much okay, and it has already completed I think 5 years. So technology is really getting more and more innovating. So guys, we are here at CZ, and my manager Bhaiya has went to buy some water because we are really thirsty, and my eyes are like So guys, finally we are about to reach Likabali, and Likabali check gate is very near now. After crossing this bridge and a short left turn, we are about to reach the bridge. The check gate. So guys, finally we are here at Likabali. So यहाँ से अभी हम लोग straight जाएंगे. So guys, the rain is really heavy here at Assam. So we are about to reach Silapathar now. As you can see, due to the monsoon, the road at Assam are really messed up. And guys, कुछ जगहों पे तो पूरा highway से ही the river is flowing. Guys, right now we are here at the beautiful Subansiri bridge, and that's the beautiful Subansiri river, and simultaneously you can see there's a rail bridge. Guys, hello, and we are here at Subansiri. Manager भैया,
यस
थक गया?
थक गया उपाय कमा
ये बहुत अच्छा बात करता है, बैठ के पूरा थक जाता है मैनेजर भैया. एनीवे, चलो यहाँ पे लेट्स बाय सम रेड बुल, थोड़ा एनर्जाइज करते हैं, फिर विल हिट द रोड बैक अगेन. सो you can see at my back side, that's the beautiful Subansiri river and the bridge. So what are you going to have? Red Bull?
Red Bull
Okay,
and
chalo.
some
Special huh? So guys, right now we are here at the Gumto gate. We got the glimpse of Jimny here. So that's the Jimny. Guys, काफी रियलिटी में छोटा लग रहा है जिमनी जो. So we are here at Lekki now. This is Lekki or what?
Borum.
Okay, जो भी हो. My goodness, we are stuck in the traffic now, and it's really bore. 2 घंटा हो गया. I'm still at the traffic. Couldn't reach Naharlagun to Itanagar, and you can check out guys traffic कितना लंबा है. Guys, unfortunately अभी हम लोग यही traffic में रहने वाला है, and it has got long traffic here. Yes, finally we have entered Arunachal, and now we are on the roads of Upia, and soon we'll be reaching Itanagar. So thank you guys for watching my blog, and if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Manager भैया bye बोल दो.
Okay, life is a journey.
Yes, life is a journey. Manager का slogan है, life is a journey. Bye.
Okay.
Peace.